Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast for beginners. My name is Lily, and I'm your English teacher today.
Hi, I'm Mateo. I'm learning English with you. It's great to study together.
Today's topic is jobs and occupations. We will learn simple words like teacher, doctor, driver, chef, worker, and many more.
Yes, jobs are important. We talk about jobs in many situations.
And like always, we will also practice greetings, numbers, days of the week, objects, food and drinks, daily activities, and then the main topic, jobs and occupations.
And don't worry, we speak slowly, clearly, and repeat many times.
Ready? Let's start. Repeat with me, listener. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
And the question, how are you?
Answers: I'm good. I'm fine. I'm okay. Mini dialogue. Good morning, Mateo. How are you?
Good morning, Lily. I'm good. And you?
I'm great. Listener, repeat. I'm great. Jobs use numbers all the time. Money, time, hours, salary. Let's practice 1 to 20 again. Both slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now repeat simple sentences. I work at 8. I work 5 days a week. My job is number 3 on the list. My boss arrives at 10. Jobs and days go together. We say, I work on Monday. I don't work on Sunday. Repeat the days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
I work on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.
Repeat.
I work on Monday.
I work on Wednesday.
I rest on Sunday.
Repeat. I rest on Sunday. Many jobs use tools or objects. Repeat. Desk, chair, computer, phone, notebook, pen, bag, uniform, tools, money, card, ID badge, office, store, hospital.
Good words.
Now, sentences. I use a computer. I have a uniform. I write with a pen. I work in an office. I work in a store. At work, people eat and drink. Repeat. Water, coffee, tea, juice, sandwich, lunch, snack, apple, cookie.
I drink coffee at work.
Listener, repeat.
I drink coffee at work. I eat a sandwich at lunch.
Repeat.
I eat a sandwich at lunch. I drink water in the office.
Repeat.
I drink water in the office.
Now, some daily activities related to jobs. I wake up early. I go to work. I start work at 9. I talk to people. I help customers. I use a computer. I finish work at 5. Repeat the job titles slowly. Teacher, student, doctor, nurse, driver, chef, cook, waiter, cashier, police officer, firefighter, worker, farmer, engineer, artist, singer, actor, cleaner, manager, assistant. Very good. Repeat. I am a student. She is a teacher. He is a doctor. My mom is a nurse. My dad is a driver. He works at a hospital. She works at a restaurant. I work at a store. I have a job. I need a job. What do you do?
I'm a student.
Who is your teacher?
You are.
Haha. Yes, I am your English teacher. Listener, repeat. I am a student. I am a teacher.
My sister is a doctor.
Where does she work?
She works at a hospital.
Is she busy?
Yes, she is very busy.
Repeat. She works at a hospital. She is busy. What does your dad do?
He is a driver.
What does he drive?
A taxi.
Repeat. He is a driver. He drives a taxi. Who works at a restaurant?
A chef cooks food. A waiter serves food.
Very good. A chef cooks food. A waiter serves food. Now listen and repeat full sentences. My job is easy. My job is hard. I like my job. I work in an office. I work in a school. I help people. I talk to customers. I work on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. Mateo, what job do you want in the future?
I want to be a teacher. Maybe an English teacher like you.
That's great. Why do you want to be a teacher?
Because I like helping people learn.
Very good. Listener, repeat. I want to be a teacher. I like helping people. Now let's try another one. Listener, repeat. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a driver. I want to be a singer. I want to be an engineer. Excellent! Let's review everything we learned today. Greetings, numbers, days of the week, objects, food and drinks, daily activities, jobs, and occupations. Let's repeat some job words. Teacher, doctor, nurse, driver, chef, waiter, worker, police officer.
And simple sentences. I am a student. I am a worker. She works at a restaurant. He works at a hospital. I want to be a teacher.
Perfect. Thank you for listening today.
Thank you.
Keep practicing every day. Repeat, listen, and speak with us.
See you next time.